This is another very simple one, so go ahead and do all the steps, rewrite the givens, write this at the bottom, mark up the diagram, and come up with your plan. And hit pause, and I will show you my solution shortly. So here's my solution. AB is congruent to CB. So AB is congruent to CB. D is the midpoint of AC, so D's halfway here, so it cuts this in half. So it's the midpoint, so these two are the same. Here's a common side. And that should prove this by side, side, side. So now we have, just to do the arrows, so this is our given. D is the midpoint of AC, so AD was the same as DC. So that follows from that. We also have the reflexive side, then we have side, side, side. So we need to go ahead and do our 3 arrows. And just write our reason here. Side, side, side. And that's that.